Oh, yeah. I dropped the bloody phone. Jesus, what a great start. What I'm doing, I'm just getting a scalpel. And I'm cutting my way in. Because these things have just eaten my heels. Oh. Right, here we go. These bloody shoes are disintegrating. Look at that. The inside, the lining is turning to dust. What the hell kind of crap is this? It's just... There's no image fakery going on here. No false video. This is just honest. What? Why? Why is that there? What is the point of this? My heels hurt. I've had these bloody trainers for less than a year. They've absolutely disintegrated. Oh, look at that crap. This is bollocks. It's just the inside, the lining has just crumbled to dust and collected at the bottom. And is now just devouring my heels. So now I need to glue that closed so it won't eat me while I'm walking. Sketch as a crap.